Hi there, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can remove cookies from your Google Chrome. Removing cookies from Google Chrome is actually very easy. So let's open our Google Chrome. Then click on the three dots present at the screen. Then click on the settings option. Under settings, you need to click on the privacy and security tab. Under this tab, you can see the third party cookies tab. Click on this and scroll down to find this option which says see all site data and permissions. Click on the drop down arrow and here you can see all the cookies that are stored in your computer or your browser. Now it's up to you. If you want to delete the cookies created by a particular site, you can do so by clicking on the trash can icon in front of that particular site. For example, I will be cleaning cookies from softonic.com. So let's click on the trash bin and select delete. Here we go. We have successfully deleted cookies from a particular website. Now, if you want to delete all the cookies which are stored in your system, simply click on delete all data. Clicking on this will completely delete the cookies which are present in your system. There we go. Now we don't have any cookies left. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you really like this video, make sure to hit that like button, comment on the video, share this video with your friends and family, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.